This question we need to find three values. First, the coordinates of A and B. Okay, we can get it by looking at the graph. Point is 4, 0. Point B is 0, 4. Second, point P is on AB. So let's draw a line first. A 4, 0. B is 0, okay, wait a minute. 0. What is happening? 0, 4. Okay. Point P is between. Given is AP1, BB is 3:1. We know the section formula. Let's say point X, Y. Let's be M is to N. So X, Y will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Similarly for y, m plus n denominator, my2 plus ny1. Okay, it's x2 y2, it's x1 y1. If you want to understand how to solve it properly and understand the concept of section formula, you can watch my video of derivation of section formula and equation of line, one shot video. Okay, so it will be value will be equal to 3 into 4 mx2, so 3 into 4, not 3 into 0, x2 is 0. 3 into 0 plus 1 into 4 upon m plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Same here, 3 plus 1, 4. my2, 4 into 3, 12 plus ny1, 0 to 1, 0. So answer will be 3 into 0 is 0. 4 by 4 is 1, 3 is the value of point P. Okay, now third, we need to find the equation of line passing through P and perpendicular to AP. We know the value of point P is 1, 3. If we know the slope of line perpendicular to AP, then we can use slope point form. Okay, we know that slope of AB is change in y upon change in x. Change in y is 4 minus 4, change in x is minus 4 equal to minus 1. We know the relation between if two lines are perpendicular, then the product of their slopes will be equal to minus 1. So here let's m1 be minus 1, so m2 will be equal to 1. So m2 is equal to 1. Now we can use slope point form. Y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. Y minus y1 is what? 3 is equal to slope is 1 and 2, x minus 1. Y minus 3 is equal to x minus 1. Substituting y on left side, x minus y is equal to minus 3 on left side, minus 3 to minus 2. That is the equation of line perpendicular to AB and passing through point P. Answer is, let's write it clearly here, x minus y equal to minus 2. Let's check it. Point P is what? 1 minus 3. Let's say if I put y is equal to 3, what do I get? 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, if I put x equal to 1, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Why? Okay, the equation correct. Okay, wait a minute. I hope you have understood this. Okay, everything is correct.